The game was rigged before you were born. You weren't taught the rules, but they were playing anyway. Right now, someone is making more money while they sleep than you'll make this month working 60-hour weeks. It's not luck. It's not talent. It's system design. Most people spend their entire lives playing a game they don't understand, trading hours for dollars, hoping discipline equals freedom. It doesn't, because wealth isn't about effort. It's about architecture. In the next 7 minutes, I'll show you the 5 rules of money that separate those who build empires from those who just work in them. And if you're watching this, you already know something's broken in the system you're living. Good, let's fix it. Rule number 1. Money follows systems, not effort. Here's the lie you were sold. Work hard and you'll get rich. Bullshit. Hard work without leverage creates exhaustion, not wealth. Look around you. The hardest workers you know are broke. Construction workers, nurses, teachers, retail managers. All grinding, all underpaid. Meanwhile, a guy with a YouTube channel makes $50,000 a month talking into a camera. Why? Because the rich don't trade time for money. They build machines that print money while they're asleep. Automated income, delegated work, scalable decisions. If you are the product, if your time is what you're selling, you'll always be broke. Your ceiling is 24 hours. The wealthy, their ceiling is infinity. They build once. They profit forever. Stop trading time. Start building systems. Rule number 2. Your mind is your first investment. Every financial ceiling is a mental one. You will never, and I mean never, earn more than what your identity allows. If you see yourself as someone who struggles with money, guess what? You'll always struggle. If you see yourself as not a business person, you'll never build a business. Your beliefs are your budget. Now here's what the rich know. They treat their mind like a compound interest account. They read, they study, they obsess. Not because they're smarter, but because they know knowledge scales. One insight can 10x your income. One mental model can collapse years of trial and error. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day, not because he's bored, because information is leverage. You want to know why you're stuck? Check your input. If you're consuming trash, Netflix binges, doom scrolling, gossip, drama, your output will be trash. Upgrade your mind before you upgrade your bank account, because money flows to clarity, not confusion. Rule number 3. Money amplifies, it doesn't fix. Let me tell you something uncomfortable. If you're a mess when you're broke, you'll be a bigger mess when you're rich. Money doesn't change who you are. It reveals who you are. Reckless with $1,000? You'll be reckless with $100,000. Impulsive decisions now? Impulsive decisions later, just with bigger consequences. You've seen this. Lottery winners go bankrupt. Athletes lose millions. Celebrities spiral. Why? Because they never built internal order before external abundance. Money is like a magnifying glass. It makes everything bigger. Your discipline, your chaos, your values, your vices. So before you chase the bag, ask yourself, am I ready to manage what I'm asking for? Because wealth without wisdom is just a countdown timer to catastrophe. Fix yourself first. The money will follow. Rule number 4. Learn to control emotion under pressure. Every market punishes emotion. Panic selling, FOMO buying, revenge trading. You know what separates a millionaire investor from a broke gambler? 3 seconds of silence. That's it. The ability to pause before reacting. In trading, in business, in negotiation, the calm mind wins. Not the smartest, not the fastest, the calmest, because emotion is expensive. Every impulsive decision costs you. Every fear-driven choice shrinks your future. The wealthy have trained themselves to feel the fear and act anyway, to feel the greed and stay disciplined. They don't suppress emotion, they transmute it. Anger becomes focus. Fear becomes preparation. Desire becomes strategy. Emotional control is financial leverage. Master your reactions, or your reactions will master your bank account. Rule number 5. Delay pleasure, build leverage. Here's the difference between the rich and the poor in one sentence. The poor chase dopamine. The rich build systems. Instant gratification is a tax on your future. Every time you choose comfort over growth, you're borrowing from tomorrow. New car? That's 3 years of compound interest you just torched. Designer clothes? That's a business you could have started. Weekend trips? That's leverage you'll never own. I'm not saying don't enjoy life. I'm saying earn the right to enjoy it. The wealthy delay gratification because they understand time leverage. Every sacrifice today becomes compound interest tomorrow. You skip the party, you build the portfolio. You skip the flexing, you stack the assets. You skip the noise, you build the signal. And 5 years later, while everyone else is still grinding, still broke, still complaining, you're free. Delay pleasure. Compound power. Because freedom isn't bought with money. It's bought with time and systems that give it back to you. Let me leave you with this. Money doesn't belong to the smartest. It belongs to the most disciplined. The game isn't rigged against you. You just didn't know the rules. But now you do. Don't just chase income. Build systems. Because wealth isn't what you earn. It's what keeps working without you. If this resonated, hit subscribe. Next week, we go deeper into the psychology of financial freedom, and I'll show you how to reprogram your brain for abundance. Until then, remember, you're not here to play small. You're here to build an empire. Welcome to Wealth Systems.